Okay, let us go through some of the videos of Biafrans arriving in Finland. Even though there's a shocking, image about P Square arriving in Finland, but I don't think the arrivals are about the Finland convention. But what a coincidence to see P Square in Helsinki airport. But nevertheless, let's continue on the issue that brought us here, which is about Biafrans going for the convention and Biafran declaration, 2nd December. So the time is here and Biafrans are trooping in Finland. So let's go through some of the videos that are trending today about these Biafrans that have made it in Finland. Chief of Staff made it clear yesterday that almost 500 Biafrans has already arrived in Finland as of yesterday. So these are more what we are going to see on this video. Let's go there.
God is so amazing. October last year, I told God I would have loved to be in Finland. At the beginning of this year, on my birthday, here in Europe, often engage in Finland. Yeah, make a give forces so that I can be able to go to Finland. And God did. I am very happy. God is so faithful to Finland. I'm committing this journey unto the end. I'm committing any Finland because I know that only your name will be glorified. Thank you in the life of my Prime Minister. The wisdom of 1,000 men in your leader. And I want to appreciate you in the life of Mazin Namotka. Thank you, sir. All live together. Nigeria Barani. I need to Finland. Be declared Biafra.
So we have arrived with the honorable woman of God, Pastor Rose Allen, and here we are in Helsinki. We have a very smooth flight, and then we are now going to relax for the long journey of flight of 4 hours, and then tomorrow will be the start of the day event for the restoration of the Independence Day of Biafra. So we are with the woman of God, Pastor Rose Allen.
I want to tell the Biafrans that Omereme, Ihaineme, Owihemo, Oyaina Churaja Wokemo, Ihaineme, Owihemo, Oyaina Churaja Wokemo, Owokemo, Oyaina Churaja Wokemo. Biafra. This is the second time again that I'm coming to Helsinki.
Exactly.
We, the German,
all
the brigade,
all
the German Biafra.
All the way from Frankfurt.
Let me tell you one thing you don't know. God of Biafra, the Chuko Kikabiama, has assigned that this day will be free from the Janja will.
Exactly.
Will be free from the Britain.
Exactly.
We'll be free from the evil marriage they gave to us that we said no.
Yes.
Look at Helsinki. Look at them. They knows what it means to be afraid of. Let me tell you where those videos will go. I want to tell you, you can't touch that man that Chuko Kikabema has protected, which is our Prime Minister.
No
His
way.
Excellency Obatobia, a finisher.
Yes.
He is a finisher. So let me tell you, because that transformer. We have come to finish everything that our ancestors they took from us.
Exactly.
Mazojuku went to exile and come back. He couldn't make it. If you understand, and all the rest, Mazin Nambekalu is in DSS dungeon waiting for us. Now you took Mazi Simon, but he is not yours. He's out. You can see what he did today in Twitter.
Yes.
Let me tell you, Mazi Nambekalu said, Biafra. And you can see what COS.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, yeah, I will turn down our cashew now. I stand as a Biafran rep, as German rep, to tell you that all my comrades all over the world, come up is reality. History is going to make by us. You. Let me tell you that nothing, we are like a yam. Anywhere you cut us will grow. Yeah. You don't think that, you see, you hold Ojoko, he left. You hold Mazin Ambikal, nothing. You hold someone else, nothing. You can't hold everybody because Biafra has come to stay.
What a wonderful message.
We want to match with other countries.
Yes.
Gabon has gotten their right. South Africa have their own freedom. Why wouldn't be Biafra? Then, this time around, I want to tell you that this is Helsinki. Duty free for you to see that we are in Helsinki. And we are not going back. And this is our people that will pilot us. And now they are going home. And we want to tell the world, this is the Helsinki. That's why Mazda is fighting for us to make sure that he got us the freedom. Look at
here
how
we are. Biafra, freedom or nothing.
It's gone.
You have heard it from the woman of God. We are here to make sure that we declare the independent state of Biafra after the referendum, which will be on the 28th. And then on the 2nd is the declaration of independent state of Biafra, and there's no going back to that. Whatever the Zoo people are doing, they have entered one chance. What we want this time is now or never. So there's no
already it's been signed in the heaven. That na Helsinki where we get our referendum, and na Helsinki is where we are going to emerge. As I'm coming now, my identity is fully Biafra. And you don't need to miss it.
Biafra or not?
You can get your ticket.
Here we are. Here we
there
are.
Is not.
Helsinki.
You can get your ticket.
Helsinki.
We
Here
love
we are.
you, our Prime Minister. Once again, I want to say thank you for all the good work, for not giving up for us. All the stress, all the betrayal, all the suffering, all the cry. Now, history. You have made history for Biafra. We love you, our Prime Minister. Once again, I want to say thank you for all the good work, for not giving up for us. All the stress, all the betrayal, all the suffering, all the cry. Now, history. You have made history for Biafra. The world are talking about you. The world cannot sleep without you. The whole world. You told them that you are giving them 2 weeks for them to talk about you. Today, sir, they are talking about you. They don't sleep. But I want to tell you that you are the best thing that ever happened for Biafra.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And continue remembrance. Bye-bye.
So, Biafra.
Hi, said, Biafrans, this is your only Umuada. We just landed in Lati. Please be resolute. Let nothing shake you. Be strong. Be strong. Our PM is there. He is hale and hearty. And we are going to visit him tomorrow. We move.
Yes, we move. Yes, sir. Biafra is here.
Biafra is here.
Sacrosanct.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Honorable. See you tomorrow. And the magic I'm taking a video. Bye. Bye. Okay. Hey.
Okay, guys, okay, guys, thank you so much for your time, and God bless you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think about what is going on. Biafrans are not relenting, as you can see. So everybody is here. Anyway. Okay, guys, thank you. See you again. Bye bye for now.